Hi everybody! Hi Facebook! Hi YouTube! How is everybody doing tonight? I'm Kimberly from San Diego, California. You can also call me KSN Keto. Just getting my tablet set up over here. Oops, and I forgot to turn off the volume. Sorry, y'all. So we are making keto roasted potatoes tonight, which are not really potatoes because potatoes aren't keto. So to start off with, I took like half a head of garlic and I just took the skins off of it because I wanted to have some roasted garlic in with it. So if you're catching this live, if you would say hi, hello, or drop a number 1, let me know that you're here and where you're coming in from. If you're catching the replay and you don't see that live button up top, if you will say hashtag replay or I miss you, make sure that your settings are right. So you're going to want to tap my face, the 3 dots in the upper right hand corner, and halfway down is see all, follow, and then see all notifications or turn on live notifications. So anyways, I am cutting up radishes. Radishes are going to be our potatoes. So I did not obviously do all the prep work involved with this. So we are just going to cut it up into quarters, and these are going to cook up like red potatoes, and we're going to roast them in our oven. So I really love this because I miss potatoes. And this, with all of the right seasonings, does not taste like I am missing anything. So for those of you that don't know, I am in a 21 jump program, and I will be starting my 21 jump program tomorrow, which is amazing, but it also means no more Cheeto days for me. So if you don't know, I am very low carb, lazy keto versus strict keto, and I will still maintain that lazy keto lifestyle. I will not be going into strict keto, mainly because my body personally can't handle all of the fats that are in a strict keto diet. I have my body has gotten better; it's gotten more used to it. But with that being said, I am still just working with my lazy keto diet. I don't like to sit there and count all of my macros. Like, let's just be honest. I don't know anybody that wants to sit there and analyze their food at every single meal. My husband would be much happier if we went to a carnivore lifestyle, which, you know, maybe I'm doing the research on it too. But I really love my vegetables, and this is really going to give me that potato flavor. It's also one of the recipes that I am going to be using during Thanksgiving. So, pro tip, if you want mashed potatoes, you can actually roast these radishes in with all of your seasonings, and you can either smash them up and make smashed potatoes, or you can mash it up with some heavy whipping cream after you roast them. Oh, I came very close to slicing my thumb. You can always mash these up after you roast them, and to have a more like red potato type mashed potato, if that's something that you're interested in. Red potatoes are actually one of my favorites beyond sweet potatoes. I really love my sweet potatoes too. So, and I am looking and researching for a recipe that's going to be my sweet potato casserole equivalent for the Thanksgiving, Christmas holidays. If you guys have a favorite dish for your holidays that you do, I would love to know, because I want to do the research and find a low carb, lazy keto, or even a strict keto version of it. Because I feel like we have so many holidays coming up. So I know it's Thanksgiving and Christmas, and I know that 2020 is a year that we are not doing all of the massive family get-togethers, or at least most of us won't be. But, you know, it is still a season where there's a lot of food, and it is highly centered around food and all of those things that are expressed through food. And you know what? I like cooking for people. So typically, I grew up in a family that made a bunch of, can you close that back door, please, honey? I grew up in a household where we made a bunch of pumpkin pies every year. And every year for Thanksgiving, and we would give the pies away to friends and family, etc. It is something that I definitely want to be doing with my family now. I believe that sharing food and experiences with food is a way of showing somebody that you care for them and you love them. And yeah, it's part of the reason why I do this, is because I love creating new dishes. And since going into this lifestyle, because let's face it, it's a lifestyle, it's not a diet, it's a lifestyle. You can't do it just some of the time, you have to do it all of the time. Well, you can cheat, but you know.
You gotta think about it all the time.
Yeah, you think about it when you do cheat. Trust me, I think about it when I cheat. So yeah. Hi Tina, how are you tonight? I hope that you are having a wonderful, what is today? Monday. Today's Monday. So we've had some fun and games on our end. I've been talking to FedEx a couple of different times today. So getting some things delivered like groceries. So I am making some, well, it's a roasted potato, but it's keto style. So it's these radishes, but it's going to come out like a red potato, like a roasted red potato. So I'm also cutting off the tops and saving them in the scrap bin, because you can actually boil the tops with a bunch of other vegetable scraps, and you can make, what is it? You can make a vegetable broth out of them. So I like making my own like stock and veggie broths and chicken broths, and I like doing like a turkey bone broth after Thanksgiving. I will boil the bones of the turkey. So if that is something that you guys are interested in knowing how to do and making your own like turkey stock for your leftovers after Thanksgiving, let me know. I would be happy to go through that with all of you. I had a lot of radishes. I think I ordered like 2 pounds of radishes. And some of these are really small. So I have like a half a head of garlic in here that I just took the skin off of. I didn't chop it up or anything because I like my garlic to be roasted whole. And yeah. So it's literally just radishes and garlic in here. Let me grab a paper towel. Y'all, I'm short. If you don't know, I'm 5 foot tall. So yes, the paper towel holder is just a little high for me. So I'm going to throw some extra virgin olive oil over the top of this. And I'm not really measuring, but you're probably going to use, I don't know, for 2 pounds of radishes, maybe a quarter of a cup. Maybe less. Okay, y'all, this is a new bottle of olive oil. Okay, there we go. I should only turn the top on it and not the whole thing. Okay, So I'm just going to drizzle the olive oil over the top of this. So, and I forgot to turn my laptop off of the noisies. So I am doing that, and I am going to put some pink Himalayan salt in there. Pink Himalayan salt is really good for your electrolyte balance. So I tend to use it whenever I'm cooking in savory dishes, but if I'm cooking in sweet dishes, I tend to use the regular sea salt. And then I am going to toss on some black pepper, because that's what I would put on my regular potatoes. And you can season this up however you like. And I know that this last ingredient is not particularly keto, but I love it. We have one package left. And so I'm going to use it up, and it's the Lipton Secrets. It's the onion mix. Have you guys bought that before? Do you like it? So typically I would do this with the chopped onions, but tomorrow I start my 21-day jump, and so I'm going to be much more strict with myself than I am now. So I want to make sure that I use this up, because this happens to be one of my favorite things in the world. Also, if you use that, you can mix it in with some sour cream. Makes a really good dip. So I am just going to stir this all together. Like I said, this is a super simple, easy recipe. You don't have to use garlic if you don't like. I am using the whole pieces of garlic because I really enjoy a garlic flavor, especially in my potatoes. So, give me just 1 second. So I have a baking sheet, and it has a little bit of parchment paper on it. And I am just going to throw the potatoes, or spoon the potatoes on here. And I just want to make sure that they're spread out, because I want it to roast and get very crisp. So, and y'all, we did get our grocery delivery. So this isn't my last grocery delivery, which is part of the reason why I'm doing this recipe first. But what did I make the decision on? I will be doing the keto croissant rolls, the crescent rolls tomorrow, along with biscuits tomorrow. So if that's something that you're interested in for your Thanksgiving, please let me know. You can drop a bread emoji if you're interested in that. But I will be going live with that one tomorrow, which will be a little bit of a longer video. So we're going to put this in an oven at 350 for about 30 minutes. Alexa, set timer for 30 minutes.
30 minutes, starting now.
And that is really it. That's how I make my roasted potatoes, which happens to be, well, roasted potatoes in general is a favorite side dish of mine. So we're actually going to have hamburger patties with cheese on it, but no bread, and roasted potatoes for our dinner tonight. Sorry, y'all, my nose is itching. So I hope that you guys liked this video. If you did enjoy it, please feel free to share this video out to your friends, to your family, on your page, in your groups, wherever you like. Also, if we're not friends already, you can go ahead and send me a friend request. And if you don't follow me already, tap my face. The 3 dots in the upper right-hand corner, halfway down, is follow. See first, turn on live notifications, depending on your device. If you're on YouTube, it's subscribe and like. And I will be posting tomorrow morning what my Thanksgiving recipes are and the schedule that I'm going to be doing them on. That way you guys can see that. Hi Tina, how are you? Thank you. Thank you for sharing. So that is one of the recipes. I should have posted this before I went live, but that's one of the recipes that I do for Thanksgiving or just in general because I like roasted potatoes. If you like roasted potatoes, you can drop the word me down in the comments below. And like I said, you just have to tweak it and make it your own. Whatever. And that's what I do with a lot of my recipes. Like, I will add whatever spices I like to it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I will be coming at you tomorrow night with a brand new recipe. If you want this recipe, drop the word recipe down below. And if you want into the same group that I am with an absolutely wonderful, friendly community and thousands upon thousands of recipes and resources, drop the word group down below. Add me as a friend. I will get you added into that group because I think that sharing is caring. And I want to share all those things with you guys. So I hope that you guys have an absolutely wonderful Monday night, and I will see you tomorrow night with a new recipe. Bye.